When asked what the biggest mistake we make in life is, the answer was simple. You think you have time, so you wait. You wait to be accepted. You wait to be chosen. You wait to become something. But nobody is coming. What's holding most people back isn't reality. It's the story they accepted. The story that says, I'm not enough. I was born wrong. I'll never make it. That was his story too. A boy hated, avoided, called a monster. They told him who he was over and over and over again. But they were wrong because he made a decision.
I'm gonna be an even stronger Hokage than the fourth Hokage! And then everyone in the village will have to acknowledge how great I am!
He didn't accept their story. He rewrote it. You lost everything? Good. Rebuild it. And if it falls apart again, rebuild it again. If they doubt you, rebuild it again. If life strips you down to nothing but breath and will, rebuild it again. Some nights, you don't want to move. You're tired, and tired will always whisper, tomorrow. But commitment is doing it anyway. It's getting up when your body says no. It's moving forward when your mind is broken. You're not unhappy because life is hard. You're unhappy because you're fighting it. Pain is part of the path, but suffering comes from resistance. Acceptance isn't weakness, it's clarity, it's control, it's power. Think strategic. Know why you fight. Win the small battles every single day, because those small wins become a life no one can take from you. It won't be easy. You won't feel like it. You will want to quit, but you fight anyway, because every time you stand back up, you become someone who cannot be broken. They said he was nothing. He became everything. Rebuild it again.